Sat Sri Akal. Welcome to Punjab Grill BKC. We have a promotion, Noor Punjab. It's already started. It's on 15th of May. It's on till 15th of June. We have a Sunday brunch till now. After that, we will go inside. We'll look at some recipes. Ambarsari Kulche. We'll make Ambarsari Kulche. I'll give you the inside tips of what goes on inside. And then probably a very short video, maybe around 2 or 3 minutes, and that's all. Now, let's go. Ooh. We have the juices, fresh juices, dahi palla chaat, salad. We have kachi lassi, we have mango lassi, prawn salad, and chaat counter. We also have some paving roasted, nice stuff. It's our buffet. That's our kitchen. We'll go there inside in a while. That's tandoori chicken being. Well, this all this is on our Sunday brunch. Let's go inside and see what the back of the kitchen is. That's our pickup counter. That's where we pick up the food from. Very well. नमस्ते शेफ, कैसे हैं? अपने पास अंबरसरी कुलचे का सामान रेडी है. हम अंबरसरी कुलचा बनाने वाले हैं फटाफट. ओके शेफ. वेरी वेल. अपन वेरी क्विकली विल सी आटे का डो. वी हैव different types of kulchas. We have मैदे का डो and we have आटे का डो also. We are going to use आटे का because that's what we do in Punjab. कनक, गेहूँ, आटा, and then what we need is some masala. For the masala of kulcha, I use 4 things only. Methi है, kasuri methi. We have धनिया seed. We have saunf and anardana powder. These are the 4 things being used, and some ghee. If you don't have ghee, no problem. We can use makhan. You can use amul butter. ये वो भी नहीं करना, then you can probably use oil also. But oil becomes very thin, very messy. What we like is something that is thick and gets hard later on. Now we make some. I'm going to make around 12 layers, 12 layer of this one. This is almost the same as puff pastry dough. Dough में we already add a little bit of salt, a little bit of degi mirch, chili, and saunf, just for the flavoring. Baki, if you want to keep it normal, you can keep it normal. Oh, come on. Some ghee. So after applying ghee, we're going to add some more atta, so that the layer becomes very clear and defined. The first fold goes to the half. Then again ghee on this half folded one, little bit, atta again, and then we fold that once again. Now next one is fairly a book fold, what we call. Book fold is something that looks like a book's cover. I'll show it to you how it is in case you don't remember. Now book fold is, this is your book fold, right? That's the book fold. So we are going to keep one fold like this. Yes. And then again a little bit of ghee. Don't make too much ghee in there because it's going to get messy. It will ooze out and then it will also be difficult to cook later on. So we just apply a thin layer of ghee and then again some atta. And fold. That's the final fold. That's the dough for our Ambarsari kulche. Okay? Now this dough, once prepared, it needs to go into the fridge and get hard. The ghee, or if you applied butter, it needs to become hard in the fridge. So once it becomes hard, it is ready for you to prepare or cook your kulcha. Don't do it this way because the ghee is already very soft, the dough is very soft, and if it goes into the tandoor like this, it's probably going to fall off into the tandoor, or maybe the whole ghee is going to ooze out while we are flattening it out. So this one, I leave it into the fridge covered. Okay? Now this is something that we made earlier. See, the lache are already very clear in this. दोनों ही भी cut. इधर knife दिखाओ एक, छुरी. इधर ही. You see this lacha? That's the lacha that goes into the Ambarsari kulcha. Now, these four spices that I showed you earlier, we mix them little by little. I usually add all of them on a ratio of 1:1. I mean all of them equal parts. Tanya seed, we have the soft fennel seeds, we've got kasuri methi, fenugreek leaves dried. Just anar dana, I do is half of it because then it becomes very sour. Now once you start to crush this, nice and easy, this is the mint. I love to add mint. Mint and fennel gives a very good taste to your Ambarsari kulcha. This one needs to be dried. You just keep it somewhere in a little bit warm place, and then you put it inside, and then the mixture is ready. It looks something like this. Yes, and if you smell it, smells beautiful. Yes. That's the aloo mixture. This is aloo, pyaz, there's dhania, there's green chili, there's anar dana powder, red chili powder and salt. शेफ, एक सीढ़ी कुकर लगाओ please. That's the good part of being in the kitchen, right? Our kulcha is all. Now this was the mixture that we made. Either way, just add a little bit of ghee. You add ghee to this, it becomes a bit like this, so it's easy to stick on to your paratha. Come on. This is what your Ambarsari kulcha should look like. You can bake it in the oven also. The tandoor that we have is at around 800 degree Fahrenheit, which is close to 420 degrees, 420 degrees centigrade, or maybe around 700 degree Fahrenheit, which is around 375. So between 375 and 425 centigrade is our tandoor. What goes on in Amritsar is a very, very slow tandoor that goes to around 300 degree Fahrenheit, which is close to 150 degrees centigrade. Very slow. The kulcha takes around 8 to 10 minutes to cook. Our kulcha in this tandoor will cook in 3 to 4 minutes. So that's the difference. The fat will slowly melt. All the layers will get cooked very nice and crisp. जैसा इसको जरा अंदर डालो प्लीज. टिकरी कुकर डालो. इसमें पानी डालो. पानी डाल के थोड़ा. So you can do this in your home oven also. If you can just make it to 180 degrees centigrade and put it preheat for 10 minutes. Put it on the tray. आओ, put it on the tray. So that's our kulcha getting cooked. This one is still very hot tandoor. I will call it very hot. In case we can, Kev, isko cover kar do please. Let's do that. So just heat your oven to around 150 degrees Fahrenheit centigrade or maybe 180 degrees, and put it on a hot tray. And that's it. Probably you can make your kulcha in 8 to 10 minutes at home also the same way. Ambarsari kulcha. Oh yaar, lassi shassi ho jaye, come. We have the festival going on. That's our malai wali lassi. Very nice malai. We usually have this with spoon, but well. That's lovely. This is the imli chutney, pyaj, tam dhaniya, and seasoning done to this. This we will have with the kulcha. Chef, sigdi cook kar dikhao. Chaat masala. That is the sigdi cooker. Add some chaat masala to that. Are you ready to have it? Sometimes being a chef is the best part in the world. Sat Sri Akal. Please come over Noor Punjab till 15th of June, BKC and Kala Ghoda. Sat Sri Akal. Bye bye.